Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Avaloq banking software. Avaloq banking software is a comprehensive core banking system designed for financial institutions. It's aimed at banks and wealth management firms needing a robust platform to manage their operations, including client accounts, transactions, and regulatory compliance. Key features include account management, transaction processing, reporting, and risk management tools. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Avaloq positions itself as a highly customizable and scalable solution, offering a wide range of modules to cater to different needs. They emphasize security and regulatory compliance. Pricing is likely tailored to individual client needs and isn't publicly available. However, the website suggests a high level of customization implies a potentially significant investment. The technology utilizes a modern, modular architecture allowing for seamless integration with other systems. Availability is generally restricted to financial institutions and requires direct contact with Avaloq for implementation. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Avaloq banking software. For context, I'm a software consultant working with a small financial institution that recently implemented Avaloq. Getting started was quite involved. The initial setup and onboarding process took several weeks, involving numerous training sessions and configuration adjustments. Navigating the interface took some time. It's a powerful system, but the sheer number of features and settings can be overwhelming at first. I spent a lot of time familiarizing myself with the different modules and workflows. I specifically worked with the client account management and reporting features. The reporting tools were exceptionally robust, allowing me to generate highly customized reports with ease. However, generating specific, niche reports took some time as there is a learning curve. The system's performance was generally excellent, processing large datasets was swift and efficient. I had a quick question about a specific report configuration and their support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a detailed and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the audit trail functionality was, ensuring data integrity and regulatory compliance. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve, requiring significant upfront investment in training. It was complex to learn. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Avaloq. While it has a steep learning curve, the system's power and flexibility make it a valuable asset for any financial institution needing a robust and secure banking platform. That's my overview of Avaloq banking software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.